You are going to love the 2020 Ranger. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find navigation system, heated seats, Bluetooth, technology package, power sliding rear window, adaptive cruise control, SIRIUS satellite radio, heated front seats, push button start, security system. Your new ride is just a phone call away.